Welcome back to Fast and Flow Excel Tally software. Today, let's see how to map and import sales with inventory data from Excel to Tally. Step 1. Open the Tally and select Company. Step 2. Open your Excel sheet which you want to import. Step 3. Open Excel Tally software. In Excel Tally software, if you see an update available message, you can update the software. Next, click on Inventory and open the required template. You can also quick add the template so that you can open it easily anytime. We have provided 12 quick add options and you can assign any template to them as per your need. Once the template opens, the software will ask for mapping. This is only for new mapping. If you already have an existing map saved, simply click on Go to Sheet. For a new mapping, enter the column letters exactly as they appear in your Excel sheet. For example, date is in column C, so type C in date. Invoice number is in column D, type here D. Continue filling all the required columns the same way. If your sheet does not have an item unit column, you can simply enter the item unit inside double quotation marks. Note, this option should be used only when there is a single unit for all items. If you have multiple units, then you must create a unit column in your sheet and assign the mapping accordingly. The fields marked with a star are mandatory. If you want to map additional details, you can enter them in tab 2. If you have already entered the GST rate in tab 1, you do not need to repeat it in tab 2. If GST rate is in 3 columns, then use tab 2. Note, this is only for GST rate and not for amount. GST amount is calculated automatically. After completing the mapping, click on Save Map and enter map name. You can provide any short name for your reference. This mapping is saved for future use. You only need to map once per template. You do not need to create the map again every time. Next, enter the row numbers, from which row your data starts and where it ends. After entering the end row number, press Enter key. Here, select the map name. You can also choose how you want the ledger names, either GST rate-wise or common ledger names. Then press Enter. You will now see all the Excel files that are currently open. Select your Excel file and press Enter. Next, the software will show the worksheet name. Press Enter to continue. As soon as you enter this, the entire sheet will be filled automatically. Here GST calculation, rounding off and total is done automatically. Now the sheet is ready. To import the entries, we first need to import the ledger masters and stock items. To create a ledgers, simply click on Create Ledgers. As soon you click on Create Ledger, the ledger template will open and all the data will be filled in automatically. You can see that the GST number and all other details have been added correctly. If any of ledgers are already created in Tally, don't worry, the software will automatically ignore them and will only create the new ones. Next, click on Export Ledger Masters to create ledger. As you can see, the ledgers have now been created. And the ignored ledgers is already present in Tally over duplicates. Click OK and next click on Create Items. Just like the ledger template was filled automatically, the item template will also be filled automatically, along with the HSN details. You can see that all the information has been completed correctly. Note, all the item units shown here must already be created manually in Tally. To create the item, simply click on Export Item Masters. As you can see, all items have now been successfully imported into Tally. Now we are ready to import the entries. Click on Export. As soon as you click Export, you will see a missing ledgers screen. Here, you need to match these ledgers with your Tally ledgers. This is also only a one-time process per company. From next time, the software will automatically match them. On the right side, you will see ledger matching, and on the left side, you will see ledger creation options. After all the ledgers are matched, click Next. Then click Export to Tally. And that's it, all your entries are now successfully imported into Tally. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please drop the message here. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.